guys, it's Tom here once again. Thanks for joining me here once again on Real Food. Got a special treat tonight. We're going to be making some sweet jalapeno cornbread. Now I know you can go to the store, you can buy a box, add water, add eggs, and be done with it in just a couple minutes. But who wants to do that? And besides, this is a cooking segment. If I did that, you'd probably tune out. So let's get started with some very simple ingredients. So you have your cornmeal, your flour, your sugar, your milk, baking powder, eggs, salt, melted butter, cream corn, and chopped jalapenos. Okay, so what you want to do first of all, you want to mix all your dry ingredients together. So we'll throw in the cornmeal, the flour, the sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Okay? Now what you want to do is you want to add the wet ingredients and then kind of mix everything together. Okay, so first thing we'll do, we'll start off with the eggs. There's one. There's two. Okay, we'll add the milk. We'll add the butter. And now let's add the cream corn. Yummy, huh? Okay. We'll save the jalapenos for last. So a good rule of thumb is the hotness of the peppers will determine how much you want to use. For this batch, I'm going to add like 1/4 cup. Once this is mixed good, put it off to the side here. You want to get a glass baking dish, 9x9, 9x12. Give it a little spray. You don't want anything sticking. Okay? And then we'll just take our mixture here and we'll spoon it in. Just like so. And in the meantime, what you want to do is you want to have your oven turned on to like 425. Get that baby preheated up to 425. And we're going to throw this in for like 20-25 minutes. And I'll tell you, maybe top it with a couple jalapenos right on top. How about that? Okay? So let's pop this bad boy in the oven. Okay, right out of the oven, I'll tell you, it's perfect timing because we're almost losing daylight here in Mission Viejo, but the whole oven smelled like jalapenos, if you can believe that. So let's see what I can do here. Here we go. Just go for it. Oh my God. That is beautiful. If you can see that. And there you go, sweet jalapeno cornbread. It doesn't get any better than that. It really smells good. I can't wait to eat it. So if you want this recipe or anything else we've cooked on Real Food, just go to realfood.com. It's all right there for you. I'll see you next time. Good night.